You know, late payments on a credit report can really wreak havoc, especially if they're inaccurately reported. Lesson 12 of our course helps you effectively remove those erroneous marks, turning challenges into victories. Now, in this lesson, we're going to help you identify inaccuracies, prepare for disputes using ChatGPT's ultra intelligence. We give you a step-by-step guide to craft compelling letters so you can get those items removed. We also teach you how to submit your dispute letters properly. Now, Lesson 12 isn't just a lesson, it's a tool to advocate for your clients and secure successful outcomes. With real-life examples and expert insights, this lesson is going to elevate your credit repair expertise. So, if you're ready to transform your credit repair business, go ahead and enroll in our course today. Click the next lesson down below if you want to continue previewing the course. I'll see you on the inside.